Hello, my dear pharmacy friends. Welcome to Pharma Job Alert. JA Sterile Pvt Ltd, Udalpur, Vishnagar District, Mehsana, Gujarat. So this company is currently conducting, I mean, walk-in interviews from 22nd and 24th July for the following departments. So the vacancies are in the warehouse, production, quality assurance, and microbiology, quality control, engineering and maintenance, HR and admin, production, engineering, maintenance. So the walk-in interview is at JS Sterile Private Limited. Date and time so mentioned here as I already said before. So you can contact the following person. The contact numbers are provided here. The interview venue is here. You can see Amrit Hotel near RLY Overbridge, Kalol, Mehsana Highway. Thank you for watching. For job updates like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel Pharma Job Alert and like, share, subscribe this and share this video, and also turn on the notification bell icon for getting regular job updates.